Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, I'm only going to be using green things for 24 hours. So let's get started. Good morning guys. The first thing I've done after waking up is change into a green top because I can't be doing this in my beautiful colored PJs. If you know, you know. And I can't believe I'm talking so much without brushing my teeth. So the first thing we're gonna do is brush my teeth with a green toothpaste and a green toothbrush. Amazon पे सच में कुछ भी मिल जाता है. Literally, I have searched for green toothpaste and I've gotten like this one and it's supposed to be green and it's supposed to be very minty. I hate minty toothpaste. मैं बचपन से Colgate use करती हूँ, so it's like I don't know if you can see. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's it's green. Okay, smells like mint, nothing crazy. And the next thing is green toothbrush, जिसके लिए मैंने पूरा set मंगवाया because there was no individual green toothbrush. Don't worry, I have a family, they use toothbrushes, so we will use this. So that's my green toothbrush. I have washed the brush and now we're going to try this toothpaste. एक और बार धो के आते हैं. Okay, my bad guys, I need to wet the toothbrush, put toothpaste on it and then wet the toothpaste as well. So now we're happy. Toothbrush ASMR. It tastes like mint. I'm gonna brush off camera now. Honestly, like, it was okay, but it has this bitter aftertaste in my mouth right now, which I'm not used to and I kind of hate it. What is it? I can't tell what it is, but I don't like this toothpaste. Okay, so the next thing I had to do something green for breakfast, and the trending thing that came to my mind was matcha, and I genuinely never thought I'd have matcha after last year's video which I did, and matcha tasted disgusting and I was like, I'm never having this shit again. Anyway, I've called for matcha from Greener Cafe. Okay, so basically I realized that the key with matcha is, because my friends were drinking it so much in London, was that you have to ask them to add a sweetener. Because once a sweetener is added, it's like your normal sweet drink. It doesn't taste bad, it doesn't taste like grass basically. So I did message them saying, please give sweetener on the side. But they've not done it, they've just given it like this. So now it's on my luck. Actually, I was looking forward to trying it because I loved it with the sweetener, even though it's not good for you. It tasted nice. So now I hope there is sweetener inside this, because otherwise I'm just going to be disappointed and having grass for breakfast. Okay, let's try it. Smells like milk. Okay. Why wouldn't you give sweetener? It tastes so bad. It tastes like grass. I'm so upset. I'm a matcha girly. नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. Task 2 of the video नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. As I'm filming a super green video, my building is cutting down branches of overgrown trees. Like, what the hell? Okay, so I've put on a green outfit for the day. I also found these cute green heart earrings, so let's put them on. They don't really go with the dress, but I'm like really leaning into the theme. And you'll not believe what else I found in my stash. It's the most theme appropriate perfume for the video. It's called Oh So Pistachio from Plum Body Loving, and I've seen a lot of people like rave about this one. You guys know I'm a fan of their Vanilla Caramello range because it has like vanilla, caramel and pistachio, but I cannot use this today. So let's give this one a shot. It smells sweet, nutty and somehow still like a bakery. So I read that basically this has top notes of pistachio, hazelnut, cocoa and peony. It kind of reminds me of pistachio gelato or like Dubai kunafa. Oh my god. Yes, I love it. You can get this also on Amazon, by the way. Use the code on the screen and click the link in the description for additional discounts. And the last thing I want to do to complete my look is use a green nail polish. I feel like this one goes with my dress, but this one is like actually green. I think it's better to match it to my dress, so I'll use this one. Please ignore my tripod, and my beautiful nails are gonna become pistachio green color now. अच्छा तो लग रहा है actually, it's not that bad. My nail artist is gonna be so mad. गा तो मैं सकती नहीं हूँ, but songs, I think I can write songs. I don't know why one is darker than the others, but green nails are on. That background is so much better, but it's backlit. Anyway, so the next thing I want to do is go home and have green chila for lunch. So I'm still trying to keep my diet in mind, and basically I'm supposed to have 2 cucumbers with lunch. Luckily, it's green, so here we go. I love cucumbers. So that's my green chila, which is not in the best shape, but it tastes really good. So you guys know I've been trying to lose weight because I've PCOS basically, and I've been eating healthy and following this diet since Jan end, and so far I've lost 4.5 kgs. But I went to London, ate my heart out, increased, then again reduced, then again. So that keeps happening. Plus, the hormones keep fluctuating, right? Around my period, ideally I should be getting my period tomorrow. Again, I'm feeling bloated and fuller. But then in the middle of the month, I feel great, skinny girl era. But so the thing I've learned in the past 4 months, which I feel like I always knew, but it's just learned better, is that body fluctuates and you can't be hard on yourself about it. So my mom and dad are also following the same diet, but how fast it is for my dad to lose weight, tuck. With mom and me both, it's tuck. Weight keeps fluctuating. So it's okay to put on weight even when you're on a diet, because your body is fluctuating. As long as the long term and the end goal is to be healthy, I think you're doing a good job for yourself. Okay, so I'm back at the studio, and I was thinking to myself, I haven't done a proper photo shoot in the longest time. I used to do a lot of these when I was into proper heavy makeup content, but it's been a while since I've done stuff like that, and I thought it'd be fun. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just dipping my fingers and brushes in colors, and I'm letting inspiration strike and do its thing, because I don't want to follow any reference for this. I just want to do it my way, and I kind of love it. Okay, I'm gonna just blast some music, finish up my look, and then show it to you. Okay, so basically I'm ready with my outfit, makeup, hair, everything, and I just wanted to kind of do a spotlight effect on the shoot. So I'm going to remove my big light softbox thingy, and you get this attachment, which basically is the spotlight, and I'm gonna point it towards me, and I kind of want it to come from the top, so I'm gonna just make this a lot higher than usual, so it'll fall directly on my face. And oh shit, I forgot my obviously I'm wearing PJs under, guys. What did you expect? Anyway, and yeah, I'm just going to be using my DSLR for the photos. Basically the bedroom of this house, which is where I keep all my equipments, which is why it's so messy. Just there's products everywhere, there's equipment everywhere, and it's just a big mess. I also want green in the background, so I'm going to attach that light. So this is basically my RGB light, which is gonna go in the background. It's already green. I'm just going to throw it on the wall. Luckily, I already have a white wall, so it's gonna reflect very well. I'm just gonna clean up the background and show you guys what it looks like on camera. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but there's just spotlight on me and the background is completely green. And we're gonna start taking some pictures. The light is so blinding, oh my god. These are the photos that we have gotten. I am wee hungry. I'm just gonna have to clean up the studio because it's really dirty, and then we're gonna call for some dinner. She is basically in charge of doing the jadu pocha, and she's also green. Start programming sleep. Basically, what I need to do for her, I don't know why I've decided she's a her, but she's a her because she's in a girl's apartment. So basically, things keep getting in her way. So I'm gonna like take things which bother her and put them up. Even the chair kind of gets in her way. So I'm gonna keep it here. And I'm gonna go change. I cleaned the whole house, I removed my makeup, and I've come home to a bowl of broccoli soup. Put light because I've started enjoying like dim yellow lights at home. So I'm not switching on like the tube lights. I'm a fan of soups in general. So really not a problem for me. From having like pav bhaji and pizza for dinner to soups, even though I like them, just doesn't feel like dinner. But now over the months, I think I've become used to it. So now I'm okay. Done with dinner, ready to crash. Like I can feel a crash coming in my head. The last thing I want to do, again from Amazon, is some green skincare. I found this green stick mask, which I've seen online like a couple of years ago. It was viral. I don't think I've tried it. I don't remember. I must have, but I don't remember. This is what it looks like. So it's like a stick. Comes with a cover up. Okay, let's roll it up a bit. Kya hai ye? Okay, it needs to warm up a little bit. Then it kind of works. It feels like sandpaper on my skin. It feels very dry. I love how it's matching my dress. Solid facial cleansing mask. This product. Use after cleansing the skin. Apply appropriate amount of the product in evenly on the face, rest for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse with clean water. It doesn't say what it does though. Like all over the thing, it doesn't say what it does. Like, what is it going to hydrate my skin? Is it going to dry up my skin? Is it going to remove pores? It doesn't say anything. But I love the packaging, guys. It's so easy to apply a mask like this, like not in the corners of your nose, but other than that, like your fingers don't get dirty, and this is also workable like that. Okay, green mask is on. It's quite dry. Let's leave it on. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. The mask feels dry only. I don't feel anything different. Let's wipe it off with a wet cloth. This has been the fastest mask I've ever removed because of its dry texture. Like, it's not really sticking around that much. It's amazing. But I think my skin looks the same. Let me wash it off and be right back. So my skin feels very smooth. Like, it feels... And there's like no texture kind of, except this pimple, but not bad. Like, it just feels very smooth and nothing else though. Like, it doesn't feel hydrated, it doesn't feel tight, nothing. It just feels poreless almost, which I am kind of impressed. Like, I would give this a good 7 on 10. But we legit don't know what's in it, so like, I'm on the fence. Anyway, that brings us to the end of the challenge. I think it was a lot of fun trying a couple of different things. I feel like I can also add way more activities next time. Let me know what you guys think about it and whether I should be doing more of these challenges or not in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.